Hi, welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo. Today I wanted to showcase this 2025 Yamaha AR220. See, we've got this boat in the blue color, got the really nice white vinyl accenting for the model designation. As we move towards the back of the boat, you'll notice this one is on the galvanized trailer, which is a great upgrade from the factory. Let's go ahead and hop aboard and check out some of the interior features. Now, these AR220s are some of our most popular boats, and for good reason. They're really good value, and they offer some really great seating on board. You'll see here on the port side, we've got a bench seat here, allows you to fit a couple more people on here very comfortably. Also gonna have a wireless charger on your passenger side as well as at your helm station. Speaking of the helm station, this has a really nice flip up bolster on your swiveling chair. You've got great control here of the boat with your twin throttles, your audio control, some of your manual switching for your key components, and then your digital display. Continuing forward, we got a couple notable features right here. First off, there's a really deep storage space in this center locker here. You can put tubes and skis and things like that in here. We've also got storage on both port and starboard under the consoles. See, we've got the bow filler cushion in there with a dedicated garbage can. On the starboard side door, we have storage behind. We're also able to use this as a block off in tandem with our windshield to close up the bow. All the way forward on this boat, you'll notice we've got some deep seating in here. These two front seats are removable, and we've got storage under the rear ones. Last but not least, on this AR220, this boat's got a dedicated anchor locker with storage for your bow ladder. Makes getting on and off of a sandbar super easy. If you want to check this boat out or any others, stop by our showroom in Cornelius, check us out at marinemax.com, or give us a call. Thanks for watching.